Fresh refill done by me. Going up the stairs, girl. I'm tired. So if y'all in Houston or traveling to Houston and y'all need to rent an Airbnb, this Airbnb is close to the airport and it's a nice apartment. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the information in the description. Alright, so that is the little tour. I just did a little mini tour. So if y'all want to rent this Airbnb, if you come into Houston and you want to rent this Airbnb, I'm gonna get the information and leave it in the description box. And it's close to the airport, so you ain't gotta worry about missing your flight or nothing like that. It's not close to downtown, but if you go to Houston, you know everything far from each other, so it ain't nothing to go to downtown from over here. But yeah, it's freaking raining outside, and I really need to turn this down. I really need to get a mount, or oh my gosh, I can't even. I'm not even gonna go, cause they don't know how to freaking drive. If you live in freaking Houston, y'all know these people do not know how to freaking drive, and it's annoying. And y'all better not hit my car, because you should know how to turn in your lane. These people, oh my gosh. I don't want to come on camera and seem like I'm always annoyed or something. But these people are crazy. But it's been raining all day. Haven't really did anything. I just left my brother's Airbnb, so I gave y'all the information on that. If y'all want to, you know, have a little outing, or, you know, just get out the house and rent an Airbnb. It's a nice Airbnb. It is a 1-bedroom, so I mean, when you rent an Airbnb, you ain't trying to go to sleep anyway, so you don't need no it ain't nothing. But I'm on my way to my sister's house, and we about to smoke hookah, and that's it. That's all. I keep saying that, but I do need to put my Christmas tree up today. So my son at basketball, so after I pick him up, I'll probably go home, and then I'm going to put my tree up. But I think that's gonna be a separate video, because I'm just gonna make that a video in itself, me putting up the tree, decorating and stuff like that, because, you know. But I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm probably not gonna pick up the camera at home, because I'm gonna be doing the same shit, watching TV, watching YouTube, catching up on Vlogmas. Matter of fact, I need to upload today. Today is December 2nd, and I need to upload Vlogmas Day 2, which I filmed yesterday. But you know, I'm a day ahead, so you know, I'm doing good. But I'll talk to y'all later. I'm just sitting in the garage smoking hookah. Ain't nothing to do. It was like 8 something, and just chilling. It's December 2nd. I think I told you that already, but just chilling. And I think I said I was gonna end the vlog when I was in the car, but I just want to show y'all me hitting the hookah. Just relaxing, and that's about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe if you want to see more Vlogmas videos. I'm being consistent. We're only on day 2, but we're gonna keep going. Tomorrow's day 3. I'm gonna go ahead and edit that and have that up, so stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 3, and I hope everybody is having a blessed day. Even though we going through what we going through, I hope everybody is, you know, staying positive. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog.